Greetings and introductions.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can you help me?
Sure.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you married?
No, I'm not. Daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10 p.m.
Do you watch TV every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk.
What do you do at night?
I read books.
Family and friends. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you live with your parents?
Yes, I do.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, on weekends.
Who cooks in your family?
My mother cooks.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you help your parents?
Yes, sometimes.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older.
School and work.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Smith.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you have homework?
Yes, a little.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
Do you play in school?
Yes, I play football.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I do.
Do you study at night?
Yes, I do.
Do you work after school?
No, I don't. Food and drinks.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I eat bananas and apples.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, very much.
What do you drink with lunch?
I drink water.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice and chicken.
Do you eat chocolate?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Weather and seasons. How is the weather today?
It is sunny.
Is it raining?
Yes, it is.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I like summer.
Do you like winter?
No, it's too cold.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you wear a coat in winter?
Yes, I do.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Is it hot today?
Yes, very hot.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Do you use an umbrella?
Yes, when it rains.
Hobbies and free time.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV.
Do you play football?
Yes, I do.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you play games?
Yes, computer games.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read books.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I do.
Do you dance?
Yes, a little.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I do.
Do you play with friends?
Yes, every day.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, sometimes. Travel and places.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do.
Have you been to the city?
Yes, many times.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, on Sundays.
Do you visit the beach?
Yes, in summer.
Do you go to the zoo?
Yes, I like animals.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, with my mother.
Do you go to church?
Yes, I do.
Do you take the bus?
Yes, every day.
Do you go by car?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you walk to school?
Yes, I do.
Shopping and money. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I do.
What do you buy at the store?
I buy food.
Do you buy clothes?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you have money?
Yes, a little.
Do you like shoes?
Yes, I do.
Do you buy toys?
Yes, I buy toys.
Do you go shopping with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you buy fruit at the market?
Yes, I do.
Do you use money every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cheap things?
Yes, I do.
Health and feelings.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Are you sad?
No, I am not.
Do you feel hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you feel thirsty?
Yes, I am thirsty.
Do you have a headache?
No, I don't.
Are you sick?
No, I am fine.
Do you go to the doctor?
Yes, when I am sick.
Do you take medicine?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you feel good today?
Yes, I feel good.